or just to give a little bit of a word of warning, as you're plodding along here, look what Mother Nature has done to the path. So it gives you an excuse to go into the farmer's field next to it, to go through there and then come back the other side unscathed. And there's Maria. We left her behind, but she'll join us in a moment. She's rather enamoured with the lighthouse. And here's that little beach which we saw a moment ago. We're actually going onto it now, and there's a bit of a metal structure there. I don't know what that was used for. If anyone knows, just leave a comment below. It's a bit of a stony one, this one. No sand on it, but we'll have a closer look nonetheless. And I'd say you'll be all right for a little bit of a paddle here, because it seems to be calm. Or hopefully under the water's not going to be full of sharp stones and that. But oh, it looks a little bit coarser anyway, so I'd say it should be okay. Now, one thing I've recently noticed of late, is it me, or does weather like this with the glorious sunshine make the sea stand out looking blue, as if you're in the Mediterranean or somewhere like that? What do you think? There's quite a few pathways you can follow along the cliff edge, so choose your route wisely. They all seem pretty safe anyway, as long as you're sensible about it. And you can't complain. There's some lovely views. You're in the middle of nature, and have a look yourself. We're blessed with the weather. Yes, I keep going on about the weather because we rarely get weather like this in Ireland, especially over the last few days with the constant sunshine. Well, it won't be constant. I believe there's rain forecast at the weekend, but we've got to enjoy it, make the most of moments like these. She's having too much of a good time with her camera, this girl.
Can't help it.
It is an absolutely gorgeous spot. It's a photographer's paradise.
Oh, it is, for sure. I think anyone should come down here, whether in a group, a photography course, or a photography group that's local, even on your own. You couldn't go wrong with what you can see around you, so definitely worth a visit.
She said it. Dublin's #1 photography mistress. Here's another lovely path to follow as we walk up towards the sun, and that would be facing towards the Dunmore East direction. You'll see in a moment now. And it looks amazing with the sun glistening on it too. So just go around this bend here, and there you have the river shore, the estuary there, going into the Celtic Sea, and looks like another rocky beach which we've discovered in front of us. And don't look down, don't look down. I wouldn't want to fall down that hole in a hurry. Wow, it really is amazing here. It's not just about the lighthouse, people. They are lovely areas, a beautiful terrain, nature itself to be explored. And one thing I've found when I've been out and about of late doing these vlogs, immersing myself in nature, the surroundings, I feel so much good. Drop my mic then. I feel so much better. I think it's great for mental health. It's a bit of physical activity as well, because you're walking around, hiking around, and these views as well. It's nature's own gallery, and I think that if you suffer from high blood pressure, it will alleviate those symptoms, albeit temporarily. But just look at that. That is amazing what's in front of you. As you're gazing towards Dunmore East and County Waterford, sun is coming into setting mode, and now looking out to sea. Continue a bit more with the panorama there, and then back to Hook Lighthouse there in the distance. This place does have plenty of surprises, because there's these hidden beaches and alcoves almost everywhere you turn. So I'd say on crowded days, if you know where to look, you could have a bit of privacy. and plenty of stones on this one. Yes, all there is, just natural beauty here. And look, looks like a boat going out to sea. Probably left Bellevue Harbour. A tanker of sorts, or maybe a cargo ship. There's Maria all the way on the other side. Separated by a canal of water. She's taking a few shots there. How are you doing out there? How are you doing out there? We can't hear her, she's too far away. But she's enjoying herself, she's loving it here. Right folks, thank you very much for joining me on this return to Hook Lighthouse vlog here at Hookhead, Hook Peninsula, County Wexford, and special thanks to Maria.
Thanks very much, Suir, for having me along with you today.
Coming all the way from Dublin, second vlog.
Yeah.
Oh, hey folks, what do you actually think? Do you think Maria should be in more of my vlogs?
Let us know.
Leave a comment below. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, like, etc. Anything else?
Share, tell your friends.
Indeed, right.
Join us on explorations.
Yeah, you got that. Okay, right folks, I'll bid you my leave. I'll see you again soon.
Bye.
Until then, bye. You know what?
We're gonna get your silhouette
We
picture
didn't
of
record
sunset.
that.
Okay.